Hey guys, welcome to another lesson. This is Kingsterdam. Welcome to the course, The Golden Strategy of Kingsterdam. Yeah, so let's go to the lesson today. It's all about, um, you guys heard about wedges, right? Rising wedges and falling wedges. Uh, but I don't use all the standard wedge and stuff to do trading. In my experience, I only use the handmade or self-made strategy and the self-made tricks, and that's how I approach the market because I have been learning it in 8 years ago, right here and there. All the standard stuffs you can learn it all over the internet, right? YouTube and Google. You can learn all the basics like trend lines, wedges, falling wedge or rising wedge. I have learned a lot of lessons losing trades by using only wedges, rising wedge, and um, falling wedges in forex. That's 8 years ago. But yeah, but I have learned something from that to make a uh, self-made strategy with the wedges, right? So, so you guys know this is some unique stuff to approach the market with my view, with Kingsterdam's view, right? Um, so today we are going to look at a lesson called reversed wedges, reversed falling wedge, and reversed rising wedge, which is what I found out in my own, and and reversed triangle as well, reversed triangles and reversed um, wedges. So yeah, guys. Normally, wedges rising wedge is like this. Sorry, that's not like that. Rising wedges are like this, and falling wedges are like this, right? But what I'm gonna do is the king's wedges, king's strategy to use wedges. I use the reversed pattern of it, the rising, reversed rising wedge like this, and reversed falling wedge like this. Yeah, does it sound okay? Let's go into the lesson. So I started to see this kind of pattern after I don't like the strategy of rising wedge and falling wedge. It works sometimes, it doesn't work sometimes. So um, that's why I found out this reverse pattern in which I can manage to catch the price actions very easily, the tops and bottoms, or the reversals or the retracements places, right? um, and the other one is the triangle, right? The triangle we are going to, normally the triangles is like that to break out, right? Up or down. But what I'm going to do is how I use triangle. I also use this triangle, definitely breakouts, but that will be another lesson with more details in it. But this is all about reversed wedge and triangle. So what I'm going to do is, this is the reverse triangle, right? So this is what we are going to learn today. So yeah, so when the price actions are going along in the market, right, you have to definitely use the lesson one also always, uh, and always use uh, the elite waves, right? Elite waves You have to have it. That's the main tool you always have to use, right? So yeah, in this case we need only A, B, C, D, E, like A, B, C, D, and E. So most likely the E will be here, or maybe here, right? Or it will be here, the halfway, right? Or it will be here like that, and that's the top, right? But using the Elliott lesson 1 Elliott waves, you can also simply found out this with the golden strategy to 2.27 region, right? um, but this way of looking at the patterns gives you more confirmation, right? We always need more confirmation to enter a trade, right? So in this case you only use RSI also to um, use this strategy, and histogram doesn't matter. We only use wedges, Elliott wave, and RSI, reversed wedges. So yeah guys, how to do that? Yeah, the patterns will be most likely like this, and then like this, and this, and this, and then this, like this, and then like this, and then it goes all the way to the trend line here, right? And then it will fall just like that. But it can also like A, B, C, and then like that, and then it goes like make a head and shoulders, and then it will fall. But in this way you can measure it properly, like when the price action is going on in this region, right? If you draw the reversed trend line, reversed wedge, using the trend line scales, right? You can simply see that the price actions you got locked, right? You have to lock it like just like in your hand, right? So the price actions will be here. So all you have to need to do is, right, most likely it will come down and rejected in the trend line here. But to enter the trade, this will help a lot along with RSI or Elliott waves. So let's go check how can we use this in the markets. So yeah guys, this is 30-minute charts, Bitcoin. Let's go. See, when the price actions are happen like this, just now like this, all you gotta do is find a reversed trend line, wedges, right? Just like this, or just like this. This sounds more. See, this one is a free fall and then get back up like just like that. But this region is the most resistant for the another one, right? See, you see here, you can do that, but that's not a reversed wedge. This is reversed wedge, right? So in this way you can see A, this is B. In this case we are going to leave this. This is a free fall of Bitcoin, just like here, right? That kind of dump you can avoid. Yeah, this is C, and this is D, and this is E, right? The E, where the E is going to end, you only know by using the Elliott waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This may be a 4, and the fifth wave will end here. Or you can use the Elliott, fib levels, 618 region, right? Support lines are here, so it can also go up to take the trend line, but it is not necessarily needed. But in this way you can see, like in this way you can see the price action is here with Jew, right? It's locked in. So in here you can, all you have to do is the last wave, you have to tell the last wave along with the RSI. As I told, there is no histogram needed to trade this using this reverse wedges. So what are you going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then look at the RSI. There's a clear divergence here. These are the places I do really prefer, but in this case you can simply use the lesson 1 also. And let's look for another place where we can see that. Look at this one, right? Yes, reversed pattern, right? So yeah, it comes all the way down, right? This was a big dump, reversed, it is a big wick. But you see, when you draw this reversed pattern, it is always going to reverse in this region, right? Always. See this reversed one, the zone we are looking at to short or enter the long is this zone, this place, most likely this place, right? It don't need to go all the way to touch the trend line here, but most likely this place, it will definitely the zone where we can look for a trade or look for a reversals. So yeah, it goes like A, B, C, O, like this, and this is the place, this is the place. This is the zone where we actually have to look for a trade. And you can also do like telling A, B, C, and D. This will work also a lot. And yeah, there you can go long and then close it here, somewhere here. This region, if you draw something like just like this, oops, if you draw something like this, right, always look at this region to enter the trade, or this region to enter the trade. It is not necessarily needed to go all the way according to the pattern, right? Like A, B, C, D, E. It doesn't work all the time. Sometimes it works, right? Goes here, but most likely it will end up here. So this is the region where we where we can see where we can see simply using this reversal pattern that that is a zone to do a reversal, just like this, right? This is the place we are reversing it, right? It doesn't go all the way to take the trend line to get back, but this region. All right, so now let's go and check. See, even in this region, look at that. You draw a trend line like this, reversed falling wedge is this, right? The zone is here, right? In this region, if you see a lot of candles fighting, right, green and red, you see the candles are going up and down. So a double bottom thingy and all that stuff, here is a free fall. There will be a free fall soon here, and that by using the RSI divergence. See, that's the place how you easily connect the price action with you, right? This is how I see the market all the time. To find a region, find a zone, we have to enter a trade without any other strategy, just drawing the reversed wedge, falling wedge, or reversed rising wedge. You can clearly come to a conclusion there is a place to to enter a trade. Yeah, other than that, you can use the lesson one always. So let's find some other zones just like this. When you see something is happening just like this and goes up, all you got to do is draw the trend line, reversed wedge, reversed wedge. Look at this, guys. This is hard to count when you are using Elliott wave, and in that case you are going to use this. In this one, everything works perfectly, right? This is A, this is B, this is C, and D, and E perfectly. You don't need any other confirmation here. This is perfectly a trend line. You are going to show this. That's it. That's how I showed this. See, reversed wedge patterns are very strong when it's come to support and resistance. You see that? It will even continue the pattern. See, in this case, wait. In this case, right? You can also see it like this. No, that's not. Yeah, this is definitely the support zone, right? But you can also see it like this. Skipping one zone and see, skipping this one, and then there are a lot of historical support and resistance here, and this is how you come to a conclusion again with the RSI divergence here, the zone to show. And also here you can see reversed pattern, right? Reversed wedge. See how precise this is, right? Here you can tell the wave like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it comes down, but it goes up, and that's how the reversed wedge. That's where we use the reversed wedge, right? So in this case, you can clearly see, guys, this kind of sometimes it makes Elliott waves, 5 waves, right? And then it doesn't go down to 618, but it will definitely stay there and making a reversed wedge. So yeah, in this case, guys, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reversed wedge. And as I told you guys, in the wedge, this is the region where you have to look for a reversal, right? So in this case you can enter the trade here also and come down, but this is the main region where I have found out to enter a trade for a great reversals. So yeah, guys, let's go to other charts. Let me go to some other coins, maybe FTM, that what we are looking at yesterday or today. Here guys, again you can see clearly it start from here, right? Reversed wedge. See the reversed wedge, the king zone, bang. That's the place where I go, where I find my reversals. This is the place, not here at the trend line. You can also, if it is touching the trend line, you don't have any other confirmation. That's definitely a great confirmation to show it. But most likely um, it will happen here. Sometimes it goes all the way there, but this is the region, king zone, where magic happened, right? That's the king zone. This is the place. Lesson time, lesson time, lesson time. Uh, yeah, so that's one strategy on reversed. This is reversed falling wedge actually. So you guys see, when it's come to day trading, you have to see the price action just in your hand, just like that. You know, you have to understand the market, just only seeing that, right? You don't have to confuse yourself with all of the standard strategies, like falling wedge, or how do you say that? All those you don't need to trade all those corners, right? Just like yeah, for someone falling wedge or breakout and falling wedge and rising wedge, and some channels comes in another lesson. But yeah, some people trade all the corners, just like here and here and here and here. That's all unwanted trades, guys. That's definitely not my, when you see trading, day trading as a serious job or business. I don't trade all the corners and all that hooks, right? Unless it's mini scalps. But these are all handmade strategy. We have to where the zone is, right? Where the zone happen. This is not only happen in 30-minute charts. It happened all the way in um, how do you say that? Um, Let me. All right. Oh, not here, not here. Yes. So the king zone will always give you a great opportunity with the RSI divergence. Look at the divergence, guys. All the details are very important when it's come to day trading. Yeah, that way we can look for a trade in the king zone. And what I'm want to do is, this is 30-minute charts and a bigger trend line, right? Right. So this is the king zone, but if you zoom into this, right, you can see a reversed triangle. Always use the king's reversed triangle, guys. Triangle, you have to see it like this. Let me go to smaller time frame. That way we can, yes. See, this is reversed triangle, guys. So when you see that reverse triangle, right, this is how you see the reverse triangle, guys. This is, see, A, B, C, D, E. This is D doesn't D doesn't touch the trend line, but you can assume this is D. And see, there's the E wave. So in this case, it's hard to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's alien wave 5, but it reversed all the way to fib levels 2.6. I mean 0.26, I guess. And then it's keep doing this. But most of the people looking here, looking for a triangle breakout to enter a long trade. But that's not how I look at the market. I look at reversed triangle or reversed falling wedge or reversed rising wedge. See, in this case, you can see the FTM topped all over there here. So in this case, you don't know when the price action showing no fib levels confirmation, no 2.272 region, no 1.618 region. So in that case, you use this reversed pattern, and that's how you find out where the reversals happen and where the retracement happen. Definitely. So again to 30-minute charts. All right. Yeah, let's look for some other examples how to see the. You can also use this smaller in the smaller time frames. See, you see that, guys? A B C, A B C D E, and this is King zone. This is King zone here, right? It doesn't have to touch the trend line. You can also show it here for a scalp, but if you are looking for reversal, always look at the King zone. So let's look into 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, guys. To do scalps, right? This is not that volatile enough to see that. So let's see some. Yeah, we can see that too, because see, this is reversed wedge, King's reversed wedge, right? Again, you see that King zone. That simple is that. See, that simple is that to trade, guys. Why do you make yourself hard when it comes to trading, guys? This is how Kings see the market. This is how I approach the market. So in this case, yeah, you can, this is how you find the reversals, guys. If you find hard to tell the waves like alien waves, right? If you count the alien waves, it can also work perfect. That's the lesson 1. That works always. That's the most incredible strategy, lesson 1. And then you can count the waves again, A, B, C, right? This is where you find the King zone with simple reversed wedge. King zone, that's B, or that's the B wave in this case. Some other case it doesn't touch the wave here, the 5th wave, the fifth wave is here, but in some other case it doesn't touch there, but it will be in the king zone and reverse. But in whatever case, this is the reversal zone. All right, let's look for another example. You see, reversed triangle. This is how you see the reverse triangle, guys. See, you see this rejection here. So this is how you see the reversed triangle. In order to understand the price action just in your hand, right? You can just see this. It's amazing, right? Why are you making trading so hard by using all that standard basic you have learned from other traders or other yeah, other free stuffs? This is everything self-made, guys. This is how I experienced the market in the last 8-9 years, and this is how I found out that day trading working in my own. So in this case, this will help you guys a lot. This is the 5 lesson. There will be more lessons, 5 more lessons with a lot of valuable um, learning stuffs. But yeah, this in this case, I guess you guys understand this, and always make sure this is just like 2.272 region Kingsterdam golden zone. In lesson 1, this is the golden zone, right? All you look for is king zone, right? King zone. It goes like this, it goes like this. King zone is here. This is where the reversals happen, guys. This is where the reversals happen. Or if it comes if it is coming like that, right? This is where the king zone happen. You have it in your hand, guys, just like holding a holding a ball, right? This is how you see the king zone to see a reversals. Reversals is what we are looking for, right? Yeah, looking for another example in maybe, let's say, maybe 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart is, yeah, why not? Look at this, guys. This is reversed triangle. You see, A, B, C, D, oops. I have to have A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. It broke up because the moment of bullish, it was really bullish, so doesn't matter. But this is how you find out. C, D. Yes. This is how you understand the market in King's view, right? So in order to have more chances to make day trading easily, this one is really helpful. So yeah, guys, this is the lesson 5. So I hope everyone will enjoy this, and if you have any other questions, you can always ask me on Discord group or DM me. And yeah, welcome to another lesson with a lot of valued things. So another king zone, you can spot another king zone just like this today. So yeah, guys, let's go and backtest it, and backtest it again and again, and live test it, and then live test, yeah, live test it with very small amounts, and to confirm uh, how it is working. So see you guys in the next lesson, guys.